Alright, about to make a quick clip showing you full tilt, 60 volume out of 62, pretty much right at where I clipped from my... my amps, 4 SoundCube 4500s. I'm going to be doing 2 of them. They're strapped at 1 ohm, so they're half an ohm each. And we're about to find out real world how much voltage, how much power these amps are putting out. So basically I'm going to be getting right at clipping for how much power these are putting out. They're wired at half ohm. When you see this power, it's going to be for 2 amps. So it's going to be rated at 2 amps. So you're going to divide by 2 of whatever the power is to see how much it puts out for that. So let me go ahead and get this set up. I got it turned on. I got my clamp meter on it, as well as my positive and negative to the amplifier for the strapped amps. Positive speaker, negative. And I got the readings here, so I'm going to have them like this. Let me go ahead and put it on turn on the fans. It's going to be loud, so I'm going to see the numbers and I'll put in the description how much power I got. So be sure to look at description if you didn't see the video for power. I'm going to go ahead and turn the fans on, and the alternators will turn on. I mean, not alternators, amplifier, sorry. And I'm going to go ahead and see how much power I'm putting. This is going to be at 40 hertz burp. So that's near my peak, a few frequencies below, so it'll be a little bit of rise, but you'll see real world. So you don't have to worry about rise. Rise you can account for just by power at a certain ohm reading is what matters. So I'm going to turn my head unit on. So I said I clipped at 60, so I'm going to do 61. I know I clip at 60, so 61 will be pretty much maxing out those amps. I'm going to do a 40 hertz test tone, 5 seconds, and let's see what the numbers are. I'm going to post in description. Be sure to subscribe. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.